Glassing with Grizzly.
For the record, I absolutely love the submissions from you all singing the Glassin' with Grizzly intro. Thank you so much, and keep them coming. So, not hitting record. Yep, that's my bad. Sorry about that. He's a big dumb animal, folks. Tommy boy, what's up? But there's good news. As we're going to see later on in this video, we're still going to need to cut out an inside curve because one of these two pieces will not make it. But if anything, I'm blaming the glass. It's not so much a wispy purple, but more of a water glass, I guess. I don't really know. I just buy glass based on the vibe. The good Lord chose not to bless me with charm, athletic ability, or a fully functional brain. Water boy, what's up? As we're nearing that fun time where I break off the tip of this glass piece, I'd like to take this moment and reflect on what could have caused it. Because I'm holding the glass with pliers while using Grosing pliers on the other side of the score line. I don't think this is what caused it. My theory is a crack formed when cutting out the inside curve. And it was only when I went to clean up the other side that it finally gave way. Some of you may be thinking the piece is still salvageable, and there have been times where I would agree with you. But because this is a flower piece, I didn't want there to just be a random blob of solder at the base of the flower. So we're just going to remake it. Hallelujah for vinyl sticker paper, am I right? Where do I get it? Amazon. Where can you find it? Linked in my bio. How do you get the pattern onto it? A computer printer. How does a posi track work on a 74 Plymouth? It just does. Joe Dirt, what's up? Now that we've rescored the inside curves first, we open up the score line and take turns on each corner, applying down and out pressure until those curves are cleaned up. Then, to change things up a bit, we decided to go with running pliers to remove glass from the outside curves until all was good. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time, including those times where the glass breaks wrong on me, because you are not the only one to get bad breaks. Tomorrow, we go over opaque glass and big curves.